morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Welcome to another Vlogmas. Today's vlog is starting from home because I am currently too lazy to stand up from the bed. I need some rest. Yesterday wasn't so busy because I didn't have orders, so I worked on a few things I needed to do. Vlogmas, like you know, is not so easy. I was able to do a few things and I was able to film a few things. Now fast forward to today, my brother and my cousin, the one you already know, I don't know if you've seen him on any of my vlogs, they are currently painting the place because it's already Christmas and we want customers to see the place and look like, oh, what's going on inside there, and try to come in. And I think I'll be doing some Christmas shopping, Christmas light, Christmas decoration for the front part of the studio, so it can look very attractive. So I would like to urge everybody to please patronize me this Christmas. Yes, you, I'm talking to you. I'm trying to create a lot of stuff for Christmas, so I'm going to include it on my online store, so you can just go there and place an order for what you want. You can go to that link and not see something you're interested in. Go healthy. There's the healthy side of it. If you are trying to be team healthy, I don't eat cake. There's Greek yogurt, there's granola, and there's parfait. You can hop on that. So we have sweetened, we have unsweetened, name it. But however, if you like my videos, if you like my vlogmas, hope you seen the one from yesterday, and I'll still try as much as possible. I don't know if I'll take it to where I get my cake materials today, but if I do, it's them calling. So I need to get up to go see what they're doing and if it's presentable in my eyes. The main work has already been done. The initial painter who did the initial work had already put the whole POP on the wall, covered the holes, it's the outer part, and made it smooth and everything. So it's just coating the same color back again. So I don't think I need to spend so much money to do that and start calling one painter back again when I have boys in my family. I beg, no time to spend unnecessary money. So let's start this vlog. Okay guys, I know I spoke about my cousin and my brother coming to paint the front of the store, so I just thought I'd show you the job, as in so that you can judge it if they tried or if they failed. I told my cousin to buy enough paint, but he ended up buying one. I don't know why, because he feels one would be enough, and I made it clear to him that I don't want a shabby job. So I told him to concentrate on the front and leave the side a little. Whatever remains, they should just touch up the side, then we'll talk about how to finish the job by the side. So I'm going to show you the job so that you can tell me if they failed or they passed. Just be sign it over there. I have to film from the side because yeah, this is what the front is like. Or the side. See, this is where the paint finished. So we'll need to get more paint.